Alright you guys, FZ build part 3, mod number 2. It's a beautiful day out, so I figured I'd work on the bike outside. So as a quick, I gotta back up a little bit. So as a quick reminder on this bike, I'm 1 mod in, and that mod was those 2 seat covers there. These seat covers are just absolutely awesome. The upholsterer did an absolutely fantastic job. They look awesome, they feel awesome. That was part 1 and 2, and now we're on part 3, where I'm gonna install the next mod. So we're gonna do that today. Let me go grab the piece, and I'll show you what it is. All right, so let's get this exposure working better. There we go. This is what I got. It's just a simple, stupid, cheap little windscreen deflector thing from eBay. And it's actually from China. And it's funny because it actually says MT-07, because that's the European version of the FZ. So I basically have a overseas European piece from my bike. But you know, I have to say, I didn't find any shields that I really liked. This, as cheap and as foreign as it is the best option I found for what I wanted. I just wanted something small, simple. So I went with this. It's some sort of metal.
It seems to run on some form of electricity.
Pretty nice for what it is. So yeah, let's go put it on the bike. And before I get too far into things, I'm gonna put some rubber gloves on, because every time I seem to work on any of my bikes, even just a little bit, my hands get absolutely gross. I recognize clothing. Lovely gas aroma. Squirrel fight, squirrel fight. There's totally a squirrel fight going on over there. But I think I missed it. I missed the squirrel fight. Shame. Oh, no, we got a guy there. See him? That guy is pissed off. All right, step number 1, remove the front bolts. Oh, that one is like already loose. That's weird. Huh. Now side bolt number 1. And now for the other one. Dark long sleeve shirt was a bad choice.
Milk was a bad choice.
All right, so that's what it looks like mocked up, but you'll see that, well, I'm not sure you can actually see it, but those little ears going down from the windscreen, they're not really fitting around or with the grommets very well where you put the side bolts in. So I might have to get a little more serious. All right, if I can get this thing to work right. There we go. Alright, this thing definitely looks better. I think it's gonna fit. Let's go see. Alright, you see that? You see how that silver circle fits within the hole of this ear here? Well, that was not the case before, so that part looks good. Put these bolts back in. Well, that's a mosquito on my arm. This is definitely a finicky little thing on both sides. This windshield's finicky and this whole headlight assembly thing is finicky. I'm actually gonna back these guys off just a bit so that I got a little more wiggle room with the other bolts. Tighten these guys up. All right, I think that's it. Oh, all right, you guys. Well, there you go. Mod number 2 of the FZ build. Had to drill out those holes, didn't quite fit right. Yeah, we got it to work, and I think it looks pretty good. It's not my favorite by any means. I wish there were some more options. Mosquitoes are starting to come out. Definitely not the best option out there ever, but I think it's pretty good for what it is. eBay special, 30 bucks. I mean, you can't really beat that. It's not my favorite, but I kind of like it. Oh man, and the sun is like right in my eyes. Mosquitoes are coming out.